I'm so excited to share with you that I was able to write this book that I'm holding right now. And also I wrote it together with the closest person in my life, which is my father. And this means even more because this truly made this book extremely special, first of all, for our family, because this goes as a legacy, as a piece that we came together, we wrote it together. But second of all, I really excited to share it with you because this reflects not just my journey, but this reflects two entire different generations, and including my generation, including my journey, how I was able to go through all of these processes that you guys been also watching on the YouTube channel, how I started freelancing, how I played tennis professionally, how I found myself in multiple failures and then pivoted, and then, you know, there's a lot of things are going on here. And also from my father's side, because he also has a very inspiring journey, and I believe the idea came with this book is to showcase that journey from both angles, from both sides. And honestly, I'm so proud that we did this together. And right now this book is available. You guys can order it on Amazon. You can get a hard copy like this. You can get a Kindle version as well if you're using Kindle. Right now we are really trying to focus on Amazon as well, so I would really appreciate, of course, your support, and for you to really get this book in the future. I'll be probably doing some more announcements and more things, but I truly believe this is something incredible, not just because you guys have been following me, because you guys have been watching me, but this book really defines what path you could take potentially. And essentially it talks about a lot of important things. It talks about, the main idea is that all these titles, all these, you know, nameplates, all this flashy, you know, like fancy stuff that happens on social media that, you know, pretty much means nothing. And this is not what defines you, your path, your journey. There is something more about this. And that's why I do believe if you're lost right now, if you're going through some challenges, if you're going through some tough period of time, this will really be not like a solution for everything, but this will be an eye-opener to what your journey could potentially look like. And this is completely fine to be uncertain, to don't know where you should go, and to really understand that there is no rush for anything in your life, right? You have to go with your own pace, and this book serves as a compass, as a navigation for finding those sort of excitement, those sort of, you know, goals, purposes. So this is truly special, and it's the first time I'm sharing this on the channel. If you're seeing this right now, you can go click on the link in the description, in the first comment, and order this book right now from the Amazon. That's where we are currently have this book. It was written just recently, end of the year. It's very fresh, has a lot of great information, great insights as well from my side. You guys, you know, kind of like, you know, if you are thinking to start freelancing in 2026 and you want to take freelancing seriously, this is a great way to read, great piece to read, and really understand that it's not too late. It's not too late, nothing is late, you know. It's important to just be serious, to just take this book, read it, and start on your journey, and, you know, just focus on that journey and stay consistent, and you'll eventually reach your goals. So again, I'm very excited because, you know, this the first, like you guys see those copies that I have here, these are just the first copies that came through. You know, we were working on this for pretty much the majority of the last year, majority of 2025 as well. Of course, my idea to write the book came to me maybe in 2018, 2019. I tried to do that, but I couldn't just put my thoughts, put everything together. But finally in 2025 we were able to do this together, because I thought that my father's journey, which serves to me as a huge motivation, huge inspiration, it's very important, and his journey is completely different, you know, generation, completely different times. And I believe in the current time that we are living, in the current world, and in the current events that are happening around the world, this is very important. And, you know, this can be also serves as a big motivation, not just from my side for what I have done so far, but also from my father's side, from what he has able to accomplish, how he was able to pivot, how he was able to find his sort of purpose as well, and journey and path. And right now, honestly, this for me, it's a big privilege, because I honestly, I'm really excited to work with him on this book, because it's just kind of like, brings the legacy and brings something special. So it's maybe not the first one, of course, but I would really appreciate your feedback, your comments, your thoughts, anything, because of course, it's the idea is to get the feedback. The idea is to get some insights about this, because first of all, for me, this is a first-time experience. For my father, he wrote books before. They were more like a niche-specific books. This is something that may be more appealing to the general audience, to someone who is a hustler, someone who is maybe trying to change themselves, trying to find some new things, someone who has been maybe stuck working in the company for many years, or maybe it can be for, also like a father and son relationship. So guys, honestly, I'm super excited. This is again available on Amazon. If you have any questions, if you want to get this book, if you have some issues, troubles, or anything, feel free to send me a message on Instagram as well. I'll really appreciate if you guys are getting a book. Feel free to tag me on Instagram as well. I'll be happy to reshare it. I'm going to be talking more about this book, of course, because I do believe this is something that I just want to get to as many people as possible, because I believe this can be very, very helpful on your journey right now or in the future. And of course, stay updated for any updates that we'll make to this book as well, or anything else that we will come up with. So yeah, this is a bit of unusual video, but I'm really, really excited, and hope you'll enjoy it as well. Any questions, let me know, and see you in the next video.